Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing a healthy chocolate waffle recipe made with a homemade waffle mix, prepared using almond flour, oats, cacao powder, makhana and banana. This gluten-free waffle is super easy to make, especially when your waffle mix is ready. Let's get into the recipe now. Take a blender and add 1 cup of sprouted oats, 1 cup of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour for binding, 1 tablespoon of cacao powder or cocoa powder, 10 makhana or fox nuts, 1 teaspoon of flaxseed powder and a pinch of salt. Blend everything into a fine powder. I actually forgot to add baking soda and baking powder here, but I will be adding them later in the video. Your homemade waffle mix is ready. Now take a mixing bowl, mash 2 ripe bananas, add 1 egg and beat well. Next add half teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup and mix well. Pour in 1 cup of milk and add the waffle mix. Combine thoroughly. Make sure there are no lumps. Finally, add quarter teaspoon of baking soda and half teaspoon of baking powder. Mix everything well and let the batter rest for 15 to 20 minutes. The batter should be smooth and slightly thick, but still pourable, similar to pancake batter. Preheat your waffle maker. Spread a little butter. And pour in a scoop of waffle batter or as needed. Close the lid and cook. Do not open in between. Wait until the smoke disappears. It usually takes 5 to 7 minutes to cook one waffle. Be patient. Once the smoke has disappeared, carefully remove the waffle and place it on a serving plate. Before making the next batch, remember to preheat the waffle maker again for crispier waffles, or simply follow the instructions in your waffle maker's manual for best results. One waffle is usually enough for one person. Since we are using almond flour, it is not only rich but also quite filling. And that's it, your chocolate waffles are ready. Serve them warm with maple syrup and banana slices on top. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more healthy recipes and travel videos. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next one.